Hey guys, welcome to the POKNATION here. Today we have another 3 a.m. parody. I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the POKNATION. Hey, today's another 3 a.m. challenge, guys. I'm not feeling really good. I'm getting sick. Cause, oh man, I'm really getting sick, guys. And I'll show you guys what happened. Show you guys what happened throughout my day yesterday. I was so tired. Oh my god, I think I was being poisoned. I don't know, I'm not sure. I don't know, I feel pretty good though. I mean, I'm not sick or anything, but I don't know, I feel pretty tired. I don't know, it's all that, I don't know, scary stuff that's happening to me at 3 a.m. but you know, whatever. Alright guys, it's the clips. Okay guys, it's 3 a.m. I have to cut this evil dog to find out, to see what's inside. It might be inside to save me. Oh, what? It's some type of iPhone. Let's hear what it says. Would you like to play a game? Oh, no, I do not. Get ready for it. It's gonna be intense. You and me, one-on-one. Pokemon TCG. Oh my god, anything but a battle. Oh my, I don't have a deck right now. Oh my god. Dude, what am I gonna do, guys? I'm gonna forget deck. Oh my god. I don't know if I could do it, guys. I don't have a good deck right now. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to say no. I'm gonna have to say no. Man, I'm tired. Is there anybody else in the house? I'm really hungry. If you guys can give me Domino's when I wake up, I really appreciate it. Sleep, sleep. Oh god, I'm up. What happened? Oh, what happened? Guys, I'm really scared. I didn't accept this challenge, so I don't know what will help it. No! 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 Save me! No! Why is this happening? I should have fought him in a Pokemon duel. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, what should I do? There's a knife here. My stomach. Oh, it's so hard to breathe. There's only one way, guys. I need to open this. Oh my god, guys, I did it. I'm safe. I'm safe. I'm safe, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll link the description of the real video down below. Jaystation. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for watching, guys.